Morning! We're at the beach today!
Dad.
Yeah? You be excited to be at the beach? Yeah! Come on then, what are we doing now? Let's do it! Oh, hang on, need to get the net, just in case we find any crabs. You right, babe? Oh, nom, nom.
We don't go and get the net for us.
I'll get it. Find any good ones? It looks like getting back already.
So I think Darren's already introduced the video that we're at the beach, and Evie, I think. We're just walking back to the tent now to put the camera back so we can actually go in the sea properly, because it's impossible to take this camera in the sea with kids splashing. But we're going to leave it at the tent, have a little swim in the sea, and yeah, explore the beach. And Darren's staring at me like I'm a weirdo, and have some dinner probably in a bit, because kids like to eat very early. Evie's collecting shells.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're collecting shells, girlfriend.
It
There's a brilliant shell, you're right.
gives
More shells. Oh, it's a big rock. Was it heavy? Oh, so heavy. Yeah. Looks good, guys.
See? See over here, Evie?
Go around the other side, Evie. So it was a whole day later. We didn't actually end the video yesterday. We didn't actually end the video yesterday on the way from the beach. Don't really know how much we actually videoed at the beach because it's hard work trying to video at the beach with all the water and the sand. But we had a nice day. Evie fell asleep on the way back, and then they were both pretty tired when we got back, so we gave them tea, had a little chill out and went to bed. And then in the morning then we decided to come home because it was absolutely boiling last night. And then when we got home then we decided to come back because They have the shooting stars tonight. I think it's once a year. Percy's meteor shower happens once a year, and where we live is quite included with all the houses and stuff, so you won't actually be able to see the stars that good. So we're coming down the caravan. We can have a little chill out, keep the kids up for a bit so to cool the caravan down, and then me and Darren, possibly Alfie if he wants to get, are going to get up at sometime after 12, 1, 2, we're not really sure, and see some shooting stars. You're going to get up tonight, is it the shooting stars, Alfs? You are you? You're definitely not, Evie. Eat. Got jelly beans with you. Nice. Evie's not going to stay up, obviously, because she's only little. But she's going to have a little bit of chill out when we get back. Yeah, going to try and video some of the stars. Not sure if it's going to work, because we've never tried it before, but we're going to give it a go. Yeah, we're on our way down again.
So we're down the river.
We've just made it to the caravan and we're having a little walk before we get the kids to bed. I think it's about 8 o'clock. We're gonna let them have a little stroll because they've been in the car for the past hour and a half. And Evie and Alfie are playing a game of Meet Mickey. Alfie's Mickey Mouse and Evie's going to meet him and have pictures. You're Minnie Mouse now, are you?
Yeah.
So they're playing this game. Hopefully when we go back to Disneyland they'll actually meet Mickey and get some pictures with him, because that'd be really nice. Come on guys.
Dad, I need to be Minnie.
You're Minnie Mouse now. Evie, you gonna meet Minnie?
Evie, wait. We gotta wait. Look, Evie, there's Minnie. She's on winter. Hi, Minnie.
Evie's Minnie Mouse.
Evie? Turn around, have a picture.
Have a picture of Minnie and Alfie, Evie. Cheese. Yeah, thug life.
Do you want a hug?
Yeah.
Have a hug with
Go
Minnie.
give Minnie a hug then.
Oh.
Oh, it's nice. Scritches. Evie, where have they gone? Where's Daddy gone? There you go, you. I've been trying so many times today, literally tried several times to take some decent pictures of the kids, and they both look like they've escaped a mental asylum. They both look absolutely insane. So I'll have to put some pictures on to show what they look like, because they both just look crazy.
Soldiers.
What are you doing? Hitting yourself on the head with an apple? This is the stuff I'm talking about. This is the stuff I'm talking about. Boop. Boom. Are you gorgeous? Are you gorgeous?
Nah.
Can I have a picture of Mummy?
Nah.
No.
Yeah.
Say cheese. What was it?
Hold on to him. He's getting away. He's getting away. Hi, Evie Giant. Hello. Abba.
You're a chicken too, Evie. Morning, chickens. So we're back to our favourite spot a year later. I said I'd come back here next year, this was last year, to take some pictures of the kids because there's loads of these purpley flowers all across. So I really wanted to stick the kids in the flowers and take pictures of them. So a year later, taking our summer pictures. There's a lush view up here though, and there's literally just purple flowers surrounding us. So we're going for a bit of a morning walk then, yeah. So hopefully get some nice summer pictures of the kids, and then we're going to go to the main part of Elan Valley, the visitor centre, so the kids can go in the park and have a picnic. Yeah, so it's probably one of my favourite places.